Let's make some Snoopy pumpkin spice latte. Smells like Halloween, Samhain. Oh, let's fire up. Snoopy pumpkin spice is done. Taste test time. My verdict. I'll give that a 4 out of 10. You can smell the pumpkin in it. I don't know if it's because I've made my buy latte, but it just tastes like the normal coffee, but the flavour's in there, but the flavour's not powerful. But other than that, you can taste it, but not as good. But that's my verdict. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching.